boys and girls. Today for math, we are going to identify solid shapes. We will use formal geometric language as we describe the attributes of the figures. We're also going to look at everyday things that you could find around your house, and we're going to go on a new shape hunt. I'm so excited. So before we go on our shape hunt, I want to give you some ideas of what these 3D or solid shapes might look like. So here on my screen, we have in the green top left corner, that is a cone. So think of like an ice cream cone. If we look at the flat side, the flat surface, it is in the shape of a circle. But if we look at the rest of it, it almost looks like a triangle. So anytime that you are talking about a cone, I want you to remember an ice cream cone. Right next door to it is called a cylinder. Say that word. Cylinder. So a cylinder is like a can of green beans or a soda pop. At the top, we have the shape of a circle again, and then it comes straight down, but it goes around and around. That is a cylinder. We're going to go down to this yellow one. This one is called a rectangular prism. It's called rectangular because on the side, this flat surface is a rectangle. But if we look at the ends, it is in a shape of a square. So you have to look at the flat sides here to look for the rectangular part of it. And then it's a prism because it's a solid 3D shape. All right, if we look next door in the purple one, this is called a triangular prism. If we look at this flat side at the top, it's in the shape of a triangle. But if we look at these flat sides, they're in the shape of a rectangle. So depending on what side you look at, you could see different flat shapes. But this one is called a rectangular prism. Let's go up here to the blue one. This is called a cube. And I bet you've seen this on like a pair of dice or probably lots of little gadgets around your home. You can find a cube. So if you look here on this flat side, it is a square. If you look at this flat side, it kind of looks funny, but if you find one in real life, you're going to notice that it's a square as well. And on this side, it's a square. So a cube has a square on all sides or all faces of it. Look at the pink one. A lot of you found this object when we were looking for circles, but this one for 3D is actually called a sphere. That's kind of a funny word. Can you say that word with me? Sphere. Good. A sphere is like a ball or the earth. It just goes around and around. It's not going to sit still unless you have something holding it. If you put it down, it's just going to keep rolling and rolling and rolling. And then this last green one is called a pyramid. Say that word with me. Pyramid. Good. If you look on this flat side, what shape do you see? A triangle. Good. But on the bottom where it's sitting, it's actually in the shape of a square so that it can sit nice and flat. So that is a pyramid. All right, so now I want to give you some ideas of some different objects that are in this shape. So here we have the cone, like I said, an ice cream cone, maybe a party hat. This is a megaphone, and then a construction cone, all cones. Cylinders could be a candle, a soda pop, a trash can. This looks like a piece of, oh, where did it go? This looks like a piece of candy, like a Smarties. Like, have you ever had Smarties where it just goes around and around in a cylinder? And then this is a can of oranges. Then down here for rectangular prism, you could find things like a box, a tall box, a book, a Kleenex box, a suitcase, crayon box. Triangular prisms would be like a piece of cheese or a tent. A cube, there's that dice. A cube could be, there's another box. So we have to look at the difference where, remember, a cube is square on all sides. And this box looks like it's taller. So it's a rectangle on these flat surfaces and then a square in the top. Ice cube, a Rubik's cube. Here's spheres. So a ball, a bowling ball, a beach ball, a balloon, and then here's a pyramid. Oh, there's a tent again. We're going to have to really look at the difference between those tents. This one is going to have triangles all around it, whereas this one also has a rectangle on these sides and a triangle here. So be careful when you're looking for these objects. And then a pyramid, like you would see, like building in the sand pyramid. So today, your job is to go on a shape hunt for about, we could do 5 minutes today because this is your only activity after watching this video, is you're going to hit the green add response button and you can video or take pictures finding these solid shapes around your house or outside, wherever you can find them. Have fun! I cannot wait to see what you find.